like $200 for the lawnmower because oh, you freaking idiot.
电源已断开。
Oh my gosh. Let me call 911.
As far as I know, they're really like resilient in the sense of like driving. Oh! God damn it! These motherfuckers just pulled out in front of me. Guy that you know drive on and off guy. I guess I ain't go through all that help.
Big man may get in there. Piss up.
Created by Spence.
In Vancouver and in Langley. How can a fully How can a first aid cabinet make your employees more prepared?
You guys okay?
Motion that you have to do, and you know just the whole thing.
What did you think as you watched it on?
For security concerns. Delta Delta Delta, which is made the standard unrelated to the COVID-19 Delta variant. Related to the COVID-19 Delta variant.
Hello?
I'm about to pull up out.
Please choose cancel.
Oh. 促进器嘞，俺到现在放在这里没拿到。快下去！哦。
你可能起来不是在这里起来的。